ዛሬ ጧት የሰማሁትን ታሪክ ልንገርሽ so the man lets her know that he has $2,000 saved $200,000 saved እና girlfriend quit her
በ130 አመቱት እንግዲህ እሺ
the girlfriend quit her job እና I'm a trophy wife ብላ ተቀመጠች
I know the story
I don't
እና was so triggering for him like ምን ማለትሽ ነው አላት she explained
you got us
you got it's quite literally that's what she said you got this እና የኔ ስራ መስራት ያን ያህል ያዋጣ ስላልሆነ I'll be a stay at home trophy wife አለችው ማለት ነው and the more he questioned her the more she explained that not only is she a trophy wife okay not triggered not only is she a trophy wife she explained to him I'm hotter than you a lot of our friends and our family think that I'm hotter than you so like you should be grateful that you're now providing for me scoundrel ራሱን ይሁን የሰራው ብላ he officially broke up with her
This is
with Salata and Zion today እንደ ልቤ segment ነው and we're going to be talking about movies we watch and we like and we started this topic camera kamajameru before talking about this new rule that I heard which I found very fascinating about if two women in that movie two characters female characters in that movie don't talk about anything other than shopping dating and alcohol and partying then it feels some taste in me TikTok I found that very interesting and what does that say about the movie and what does that say about the people that enjoy the movie emilo discussion ላይ ተቀምጠን ነው ካሜራው somehow የበራው
ትዝ ያለን ኤፒሶድ ሊንክስ እንደተቀመጠን yeah so you were telling me
yeah so at least Lenny I understand that most of our female friendships revolve around these three topics again I admire it when a woman can actually go in depth about why these topics are important. How I'm say, look, you explain to me economically, these are the things a lot of people invest on. You can also explain to me why it's so important, which means you understand the basis of it. So the depth of which you understand the topics really makes a difference. On the other hand, when it's just another topic that is the only thing you're interested in, it sucks the energy out of me, especially when it comes to my personal life.
Okay.
If the only thing you're interested in is partying and you don't really understand the economics behind it, you don't really understand the safety behind it, you don't really understand exactly why you're mentally aligned with that situation in that particular place, then I'm going to question exactly why you're doing this. And that's going to be an issue for you because it triggers a lot of people. እና እሱ ነበር anyway እዛ ላይ ነበር እናለና
I'm looking for the movie so that I will tell this is a beautiful movie especially about the effect of women in men's life and you know እኛ ሀገር አባባሉ አለ አይደል ወንድ ራሱ ነው ሴትየው አንገቷ ናት ሴቷ አንገት ነው እኛ ሀገር ሳይ ፊልም ላይ ምናምን አይቼው ሊሆን ይችላል
እንትን specifically አለ my big fat Greek wedding ላይ
okay
very famously in a better line so ነበር ነው he may be the head of the family but the woman is the neck
yes so there's this movie Paul Rudd ያለበት so መጀመሪያ she meets him I think he even had a girlfriend or a girl like I'm looking for it and I'm like ያገኘሁት አይደለም Ant-Man እሺ
do they end up married is it the woman እንትን ያለችው ታርዛን ላይ no okay
እንትን ላይ ያለችው ናት ደማሚ የመጀመሪያዎቹ ላይ
oh interesting oh I think I've seen it
oh everybody has seen it I just don't think people understood the movie
gallery owner no when artist
she's an artist it's a showing except he was the piece of art she was showing and it was pictures of him since the day she met him and he even had a girl he really liked ምናምን በጣም የወደዳት ልጅ ነበረች አብራት ማው የሚፈልገው ነበር ሐሳቡ እንዴት እንዳስቀየረች አኗኗርም ጓደኞቹን መልኩን ፊዚካል አፒራንሱን አለባበሱን እንዳለ ታስቀይረውና you are the art ትለዋለች at the end of the movie now if we are talking about dating alcohol ምናምን ነው ብቻ ነው ብለን ይሄን ነገር ዲሚን ካረግ ነው yes ይቻላል ግን there's so many movies that are just as cutting and as important to I guess የሶሳይቲ ህልውና because እኛ ስለ ዴቲንግ ኦብሰስ ባንሆን የህዝብ ቁጥሩ ጥያቄ ውስጥ አይገባም ብለሽ ታስቢያለሽ እየጠጣን ባይሆን አንዳንድ ሰው የሚበዛ የሚባዛ ይመስልሻል
I understand that ደግሞ ይኸውልሽ አሁንም say I watched that movie and I loved it for so many different reasons specifically because a lot of men will tell you በተለይ traditional men ሴት ልጅ ወንድን መለወጥ ትችላለች over and over የሚነገር ነገር ነው እና as evil as they portrayed her in that movie it also aligns what traditional men think of the power of women ብሎ ሲያስቡት women የትኛውንም ወንድ ወደ ፈለገችው ነገር ትለውጣለች which was very interesting to me to watch that movie and we're like they might be right in that topic ያስብልሻል on the other hand ደግሞ they may be completely wrong ያስብልሻል
because the other girl did not change him
exactly
this one did
so it does make you wonder what does it take የሚለው ነገር in question ይመጣል and that ቅድም ያልኩሽ topic so no if you understand in depth about these topics and you can explain to me how it aligns with you mentally as opposed to cannot surface level ብቻ understand የምታደርጉ ከሆነ it really makes a difference on how you live your life as well as how much I'm willing to have that conversation with you and አሁን ለምሳሌ the movies I don't like and the movies I don't watch ብዬ ሳስብም እነዚህ ነገሮች አሁን ለምሳሌ Bridesmaids I loved that movie however again the lack of depth ለኔ disappointing ነበረ
in a comedy movie about women and watching their bodies and how the bridal industry predates women nice it's like okay
ለምንስ disappointing የሆነው there could have been darker jokes ብያስባለሁ there could have been I would have loved it if the main character ended up very much aware of her traumas and evolved past going back to that same patterns of loving somebody ገብቶሻል I would have loved it if they actually communicated what was the issue instead of hurting each other with their words there were so many things I would have loved I understand it was a comedy again being friends with stand-up comedians I now know you can make anything into a comedy including tragedy so
especially
so I would have loved it if the layers were deeper than that ገብቶሻል but the part where she insults a young girl and does it in such a way it was like couldn't they have done it better because I've seen that conversation between a young naive version of yourself and the conversations you'd have and there would have been a better way of portraying that ገብቶሻል እና the depth of which these conversations happen in a movie no ለኔ issue ሆኖ it's not even the conversations themselves how much you understand those conversations ለኔ difference ያመጣል okay what do you think
I do not agree with that but this would be your unpopular opinion of the day oh my god first off the thing for me ምን እንደሆነ ልንገርሽ አሁን ለምሳሌ I watch a lot of shows in different languages how many of these do you think we can talk about
ከእንግሊዝኛ ውጪ none
እሺ ከዛ ደግሞ genre
one no like Voice Over Flowers and yeah that's
then I think with age something I've learned is ቋንቋ ምናምን ለመቀየር ስታስቢ የምታየውን ኮንተንት ሳይድ ኢንፎርሜሽን I guess መጀመሪያ የምታየው ዣንራ አለ አይደል ሆረር ከሆነ የምታየው በሁሉም ቋንቋ ሆረር ማየት ትችያለሽ ከዛ ሁሉም ሀገር የተለያየ የሆነ ስታይል ይዞ ይመጣል ወደዛ ዣንራ ማለት ነው ከዛ me personally I love anime I've watched Chinese dramas Korean dramas Japanese movies
anime እሺ
here's the thing that's how ለምሳሌ because you did that I can't have this conversation with you and therefore you've taken away from our conversation
yes
so what I'm trying to explain ምን እንደሆነ ልንገርሽ I could watch the most intricate anime show ever we would never have a conversation instead we would have a conversation about Bridesmaids and I feel like it's a very off ኑዋንሱን በጣም ይቀንሰዋል። ይሄ ሶሻሊ እነዚህ ሰዎች እርስ በራሳቸው ምን ያስባሉ ከዛ ምን አይነት ነገሮች በጋራ አላቸው የሚለው ነገር በጣም ይቀንሰዋል። ምክንያቱም every person is unique እንበል let's say አሁን we never criticize men for just talking about sport and surface level stuff. I mean recently criticize እየተደረጉ ነው ወሬ አጣርተው አይመጡ
because like እኔም አንቺም እንደዛ criticize እናደርግ ነው ያደግነውና I don't know
the casting
my
I joined in
I know that again like and you actually enjoy class and I've been criticizing since I had a voice to do so.
It's not that I don't like men watch football, it's that there's not much conversation you can have with them now. One because they think I'm a woman እዛ ጋር ይጀምራል two because I think they're a man. So like ያንን ኑዋንስ ትቀንሻለሽ ናብ ኤልሽ የኳሱ ጉዳይ አይደለም it's a man የሚለው ነገር ምንድነው አንድ any willingness to conversate ሌላ ነገር ተብሎ ሊመጣ ይችላል you know this I know this ሁለተኛ when you bring like some topic into them there's a lot of conversations I've tried and failed in having where any interest you have is lesser just because
you're a woman
ነገር any fact you might be mentioning is disregarded because you are saying it because it kind of gets tiring. So by the time I reach the 10th or 11th man, I'm like, it's a man. We can do dick and ball jokes and we can move on. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So with female friendships, we've been outside and a lot of women I've seen have a conversation about their relationships with you and I'm like, you know, like, because again, I eventually got to understanding that's the lightest topic they can engage in.
Oh, that's
they're not
true.
going to tell you their income, their current scare, their current thing that's not going well. ብዙ ማውራት አይፈልግም በጣም ብዙ ሰው so they're going to reach into the bag of the generic and then they'll give you the generic.
I had a crush on somebody, I lost interest in somebody, I once dated this person. Yeah,
and always he hurt my feelings.
Again, completely accept ለመሰለሽ again nuances matter ማለት how much in depth you understand about yourself matters in these conversations የምልሽ because we've had these conversations with people that really did not care to understand in depth about any topic and all of the sudden you realize the less they know about themselves the more terrifying these conversations are to you because you understand the patterns they're following and you also understand how much they're about to get burned because of it.
And also the labeling that would come out of it. The more nerdy the experience, the more labeling you would experience.
Exactly. So I like it when it's in-depth in English. Even in movies, it explains to everybody that's watching it how to think. Whether we like it or not, because movies and what we watch and the things we spend time on is what we learn consciously or unconsciously. When you know how to think about your emotions, when you know how to process those things, when you know how to evolve past the surface level of what you have to talk about, and genuinely question, why am I stuck in this patterns of dating the same guy over and over again? Questions but movies sitai, that is when you have a wake-up call. And these things I like in a movie because when they're in depth, they can make a huge difference about how you think about your situation. When they're surface level and ዝም ብሎ ተሳስቀሽ የምታልፊበት አይነት conversation ከሆነ ግን it's much easier to just dilute yourself and numb yourself and then just go past it. አሁን ለምሳሌ አሁን ቲክቶክ ሲመጣ ነው we realize how toxic Friends was. ገብቶሻል? We watched that movie for a long time and thought that was amazing and that was fun and that was cute. And for a lot of us, በቅርቡ ነው wake up call የሆነው oh this was toxic, this was wrong, the way in conversations were.
I love Chandler. And that relationship irked me since I was 18.
So no,
I will underline and double underline that.
So, that's you specifically because we've said this on this podcast so many times. You, when in your friendships and yourself, you actually have at a point to ask the hard questions. So even when you watch movies, you ask, why is this irking me? Why is this having this trigger? Same conversation. These are things we had to learn after we met you. So for a lot of women, I don't think ማከፋፈል የምንችላንችን. So the only best thing we could do is have talk shows, have TikToks, have psychiatrists and psychologists talking about these topics, have movies that actually explain what the thought process behind certain actions are. And at these, on a surface level and in-depth unit of these conversations, it's how you see your own patterns in this life, in the life you're living.
I have a question.
Ask.
Okay. Like, the thing I was ከቶፒኮቹ ጋር ይሾ የነበረኝ ምን እንደሆነ ታውቂያለሽ? የመጀመሪያ ይሄ men, alcohol, and shopping. Women being 80% of the entire consumer base, and then women being the most affected by getting married or getting the wrong boyfriend. Women being the only ones with a biological clock. I'm so sorry.
We don't see what you feel about that statement at all.
And not like your health is affected by all. You are the most affected by these things, and not the fact that if these things are not included. Yes, they should be included. The trigger here for me is if it was, I'm saying, I hate action movies. I recently found out I never watch action movies.
The Gorge?
Huh?
The Gorge in Ayeshu?
Ah, of course. That's romance.
I agree with it.
And it's a beautiful Valentine's Day watch.
Yes.
So, like, hey, I don't think I watch action movies. It's ridiculous. It doesn't mean I'm going to say on a John Wick dasil nabar bolo simata. I understand. I don't watch it. That's it. But like, I'm not going to go above and beyond like this. It's like, this is like, the fantasy keeps people alive. I get the action bit. And some people need that fantasy because if that doesn't happen somewhere, they're going to do it somewhere. I.e., the men, the alcohol, and the shopping.
And the football.
The football in Mathai. There's this show called Ted Lasso. 3 seasons. Beautiful. I know you're not gonna watch it, but like positivity, the show is like positive, literally. In the worst possible place of his life, so you're positive.
I want to watch it.
It is incredibly annoying, because like, it's really good, and I enjoyed it. And there's a lot of football reference. If you get it, it's double the fun.
Oh, okay.
If you don't get it, it's just happening.
Okay.
If you I watched it with. So he doesn't watch football. I watched football. So some of the references I got. He did not get any of the references, but it was still a fun show to watch.
Yes.
It's amazing. So the issue here I'm having is topics you can have in common, limited nature, especially at this time in the world. ሁለተኛ ነገር, it's a very disregarding tone, and not like, are we still doing this? ከዚህ ዘመን አላለፍንም ወይ? እስከ መቼ ነው ይህንን conversation የምናደርገው?
Get that.
ከዛ ደግሞ the topics themselves are not even light. They're heavy enough that they could carry anything. If that was the case, let's bring up how many economics papers per year are garnering the same amount of attention and ምን ያህል ኢኮኖሚውን ኬር እያደረጉት እንደሆነ።
እሱ ብቻ አይደለም. There was this economic research I read. How shopping and economy aligns የሀገሩ ኢኮኖሚ ዲክላይን ሲያደርግ የፋሽን ስቴትመንት እንዴት ነው የሚሄደው? There was this theory እንደውም the harder the economy is, the longer the skirts are. And the harder የሀገሩ ኢኮኖሚ ዲክላይን እያደረገ በሄደ ቁጥር the skirts start getting longer. And then ደግሞ upscale ላይ እየሄደ ሲሄድ ደግሞ the skirts start getting on fashion and on trend ያሉት ነው የሚልሽ.
I was about to say the most ignorant thing, but like
again, researching ስላላነበብኩት I can't say this and that. It's just a theory be drop ያደረኩት ለዛ ነው. ግን I understand where you're coming from. It really does make a difference የሚልሽ አሁን ለምሳሌ.
What was the most interesting conversation you've had with a woman in the past year? Sorry.
Let me get right out. I have most of my female friends are people I find interesting. I don't really stick around with people I don't find interesting. Like, ghosting is a thing for a reason. Be massive. Sorry. I say this because if I ask you, I'm say Yoshi. Let's put it this simply. We can have conversations about dating and fashion and alcohol, right? And me and you being the people we are, we're going to ask deep-ass questions of the pattern you're following, and if you're aware of it. If you understand the question we're asking is coming from a place of concern and not really judgment, and you're not able to actually communicate your thoughts efficiently, that's the issue I'm going to have with this. It's not the topic itself. It's how in-depth you understand yourself in that situation. Oh no, so I was explaining that if you have a shopping addiction to one specific brand and you do it with all of your savings, and I confront you out of care, like, is this really the pattern you want to follow? Do you see how it affects your life? And you're very much triggered because you don't understand the depth behind your actions. That are the things that are an issue for me. So, because let me say, for me, the differences between the interactions I thoroughly enjoy and the interactions I avoid is the questions we ask. If we don't ask the right questions and we see you going down a hill, but we know you're going to be triggered, so we just watch you either way, then really, are we really friends, or we're just waiting for that to just drift apart? And not Lenny, the conversations I find very interesting is somebody that's willing to actually be gentle, however, very much make me aware of the patterns I'm about to, or the mistakes I'm about to make. And that level of depth in that conversation will any matter. Yes, we could talk about the guys we have a crush on. Yes, we could talk about the alcohols we enjoy. We can even talk about how much money we spent on things we use once a month. All of that is fine. However, it has to have the depth behind it. I want you to say, oh, in makeup because of my skin tone and it aligns with my skin texture, and it aligns with the look I'm going for in this particular case in the teen, so that I understand you in depth. And the thing about understanding people and understanding yourself, that you could only understand someone the same level they have understood themselves.
Yeah, because that's the only way they would know how to express it. Okay.
Or any other way the conversation is going to be triggering للناس, therefore very unusually verbal and aggressive لاني كذا point ولا. Am I making sense?
It is making sense. I understand. But I think that's also a difference in like defining friendship. It brings me back to what can they bring up with you? No. What I'm learning is people comfortably bring up friendships with me, comedy with me. And I don't really hear about people's dating lives. Unless we're really close, I don't ask, I don't hear. Unless, Leila so matto, it becomes a topic of conversation. That's not a conversation for me. Alcohol, yes. Any type of movie ever, yes.
Yeah.
Kazagan, we might get into psychological conversation or like the arguments I sometimes get into and it's like apparently I get triggered by this conversation because I didn't I end up holding very strong views about some things, and when somebody brings it up, it's like the 10th time I'm hearing about this, and I'm like, okay, what we're not going to do, or at times I find myself learning completely something new that I've never known about, because something was asked and they were like explaining something. I remember we had a vegan friend, a skater friend, somebody who's a yogi, like things that are very out of my scope. They would just express some things with me. What I've learned is, although people are not very secure about in how they understand themselves, but if we already hold that kind of view, okay, because you don't understand yourself, yes, a lot of people don't understand themselves. But I feel like because we have different views on friendship, you have to ask the questions, leave them be, watch them return with new, profound, steps haven't been taken, because I feel like no one conversation brings about change. I think these conversations are ongoing, and if you're very close with some people, you would have these conversations continuously. And the thing about dating, what I've found is, especially with female friends, their patterns will not change until something happens. And it's just an ongoing conversation, unfortunately, for the friend. Both sides. whichever side you are, it's a very ongoing conversation until the change happens, and the change does not happen because of the conversations. Or if you are with your male friends, the same things. Like when it comes to off work, when it comes to the people they're willing to engage with both sexes, they would be, okay, I think this way, but something bad has to happen for them to be like, okay, maybe, you know, I gotta,
I have to fix it.
Yeah, and I think over time it gave me the grace. Befit it would be like, why is this person doing? I know kazi belata smart nacho. I know kazi belata nagaruchin understand yaraga, but like you keep watching people and you understand, okay, the words are not enough.
No.
Events need to happen, and sometimes you gotta wait some things out.
These are the things I want to see podcastoቻችን ላይ movieዎቻችን ላይ ምልሽ ለዛ ነው. Because there's a lot of women that went through domestic abuse as well as child training, grooming, thank you. That went through grooming that did not know it was grooming until they watched a movie about it or a documentary about it or saw a conversation on TikTok about it. And these wake-up calls is what I need from our movies. That's why I want them to be in depth. Do you know the best way you could teach anybody are stories? We've known this for years.
Yes.
And to each his own, man. And the thing I've come to realize is movies like Beauty and the Beast originally was to teach women that if you take care of him enough, the beast will turn into a prince one day. It was quite literally created to show women that arranged marriages may not always end up in a prince. However, you can make a beast out of a prince if you do this now. And originally የነበረው story በዛ based on የተሰራ story ነው on teaching women how to actually accept the beast በሚለው. And that's the thing that scares me. I think a part of these movies ከላይ ዝም ብሎ ሲያስቀምጡት we're teaching people to think certain things are acceptable. Teaching a whole group, a whole generation of women how to think of certain things as acceptable, how to think of certain treatments as acceptable. It's part በጣም ስለምፈራው ነው. Because for years we've been taught on how to be submissive and a good wife through stories in so many different ways. Religion
okay. And stories are included.
Exactly. So I want wake-up calls to also be a part of these three conversations, because these three things can actually make and break your life. One of the reasons podcasts unique topics answer for women about their own experiences and their stories ሲናገሩ በጣም ደስ የሚለኝ part is because a lot of women learn what is and is not okay through other women's experiences. And I think that's...
Do they learn something about
learn and not change ይለያያል? Learn and not change ይለያያል?
No, it's not. Learn definition ውስጥ change ነው, by the way.
ሰላም በያትና ከዛ በኋላ hey ghost girl እንዴት ነሽ?
hi everyone
እንዴት ነሽ?
አላው እንዴት ነሽ?
ማይኩን አስጠጊው ወደ ራስሽ ከግሩ ጋር
okay hello
welcome
back.
I'm so late, good sorry.
ያለ ነው እንቀበልሻለን.
Thank you.
So what I'm trying to say learn with information bringing about change.
Okay,
so when we say learn, moving on, the thing about the dynamics between women teaching women, a lot of literature available now. Then basically older women are discredited from teaching younger women. One, because through experience የተማርናቸው ነገሮች እነሱ experience ሳያደርጓቸው እንዲድኑ በማለትኛ ስንናገር I'm assuming I'm an older woman, but in the grand scheme of things, I guess I'm a medium-sized woman. So, you're not Irish. You can tell a 19-year-old, an 18-year-old anything. They will disregard it because, one, you're a woman telling her. because just because you're older you're jealous የሚለው ተነግሯቸዋል you're bitter you're lonely things are going downhill in your life which is very false that's okay ይህ በእንዲህ እንዳለ እኛ የበታቾቻችን እንዳናስተምር በጣም እንትን ይባላል ሁለተኛ ቅድም እንዳልሽው grooming is intricate እንትናችን ውስጥ ምንድነው የሁሉም ሀገር ሶሳይቲ ውስጥ በደንብ ውስጡ የተጠለፈ ነገር ነው so the younger the better ነው in all the senses except when it's a guy and I don't think even the older is okay let's relax
ለምን ሰሽ አሁን እዛ ጋር disagree ማድረግ one it's because we've had these conversations before እኔና አንቺ ብቻ አይደለም ማለት a lot of us have had these conversations oh I saw this movie and this character በጥፊ ነው ያለችኝ because it was so shocking how I could relate to her and እሱ ብቻ ሳይሆን marketing የሚሰራው based on that ነው entirely marketing simply works because you're able to teach people on what to want out of life based on certain things ገብቶሻል so it doesn't work I don't believe that because እኔና አንቺ ራሱ ብዙ ነገር ይለወጥ ነው
it's not that it doesn't work it's more like it's
would they be open to it no
would they be open to it ወይ ይማራሉ ወይ ነው because recently ያየሽው ኮንተንት ያያችሁ ነበር የኢትዮጵያ ኮንተንት ደፋሬን አፈቀርኩት ምናምን የሚለው ቪዲዮ አላያችሁትም አይታዋል ሌሎ አንተ there are interviews of women going around
just so you know like ደፋሬን አገባውት ከሚለው ወደ አፈቀርኩት መመለሳችን ራሱ ኢምፕሩቭመንት ነው ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ
አገባውት ነበር
አፈቀርኩት በሴት definition is crazy
okay yeah
አይ ቆይ let's go and
ሙሉ ካት የሚደረግ ነው
ለምን ይሄኛው ፓርት yes ግን ብቻ you're not the only person gunning for improvement improvement ባንቺ አንግል ይሄ ሊሆን ይችላል በሌላኛው አንግል ደግሞ ሌላ ነው ብዙ ሰዎች they're seeking a certain group of people የነሱን ፕሮዳክት ምንም አይነት አይዲያም ጉድስ whatever እንዲገዛላቸው ይጋን ያደርጉ ነው so እኛ ሀገር ባለው ሎካል ማርኬት ስናወራ ምንድነው እኔ ያየዋቸውና በጣም videos that were going like really viral መካከል ደፋሬን አፈቀርኩት ብዙ ነገር ቢበድለኝም ከሱ ጋር ነኝ አሁንም ምናምን አይነት ያለ ቶን ያላቸው ነው እነዚህን ሰዎች ራስሽን ምረጪ ብለሽ ለማስተማር ብትሞክሪ አንቺ መጀመሪያ ዲስክሬዲት ትደረጋለሽ however they see fit መጀመሪያ አንቺ ዲስክሬዲት ትደረጋለሽ ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ ምን ያህል እንደማይጠቅም ያንቺ ሐሳብ ጠቅለል ያለ መግለጫ ይሰጥሻል ማለት ድሮም የሚለው ማለት ነው ከዛ ላስተምር ያልሻቸው ሰዎች ጋር alienate እንድትደረጊ ነው ከነሱ ጋር እንዳትገናኝ ይደረጋል the reason some of the lightheartedness I agree with exist የሚያደርገው ለዛ ነው I think ከዚህ በፊትም አውርተናል the right to enjoy life the right to have like lighthearted fun to be dumb you know like መጃጃል የሚባል መብት እንዲኖርሽ
አሜን
ነገር ነውና ይሄ ብዙ ሪስፖንሲቢሊቲ ባንዴ ለራሳችን እናዝና ህይወትን ከራሳችን እንቀማለን ነገር so you know like I would love a show about wine or like an event about wine tasting ምናምን ብሄድ እመርጣለሁ instead and a conversation about like ይኸውልሽ ደፋሬን አፈቀርኩት ከምትይኝ ማለት ነው I would pay you to tell me in depth about የገበታ ሮዜ in depth I would pay because like the you know what I mean I'm paying either way
even in this regards you're still looking for depth in it I'm not taking away from majajal by the way we all desperately need a busy economy again I'm saying I need them to have depth even in that regards no yalkushalo
wine conversation it has to have depth
because like I'm not saying okay so there are places for both situations and
yes
majajalim very important to know even when it's not being done in depth the reason I look for ahonem said rule simeta and I'm hoping for some depth in some movies yemelish it's not because I hate the street topics and the conversations because I've seen so many women change their patterns because of those conversations we've had these conversations and changed so many things in our lives based on those conversations I also understand how much in depth we had to talk about it for us to understand our own
stances on the topic.
And I think teaching anyone how to think is more important than teaching them what to think.
Okay.
And that's what I've learned throughout my time is instead of telling me, oh, okay, this looks good on you, look for this now. Most of our conversations are so no, agents agents how is it fitting you? What do you like and dislike about it? The thought process on how you think matters as opposed to me telling you think this. I like majajaling and that should exist and we love it. Depth I think will make a huge long-term difference in how you actually act in your life. Even when the girls are like I'm pretty sure if you actually met that girl it would be asking her questions. Genuinely trying to understand where that thought process came from. Simply because that matters more than you telling her this is wrong.
You would want her to figure out what is wrong with it.
That is something I've learned in this friendship. And a lot of people learn and I wish that opportunity is given to the plenty
I guess እኔ ከተስፋ ከቆረጥኩበት ሳይድ ነው ይሄንን conversation engage ያረኩት ያለውት because the mass ምን consume እንደሚያደርግ ምናምን ያየሽ በሄድሽ ቁጥር you go like so ሰዎች አንቺ ያልሽው ምሳሌ በመውሰድ ይሄንን አስቡ ሲባሉ ይመርጣሉ instead of እንደዚህ አስቡ and they would pay more for ይሄንን አስቡ because there's a whole lot of businesses booming up ahun that are literally subscribing thoughts to people instead of
how to think.
And I don't think demo ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ምንም አይነት ኮንተንት ከዚህ በፊት ሲሰራ እውነቱን ለመናገር ኮንተንት የኛል በደፕት አለን ምን ባል ሀገር ነን ብዬ አላምንም እኛ የሆነ አመት እስክንሆን ድረስ አንድ ቲቪ ቻናል ያየ ነው እሱንም ማጆሪቲው ታይም በዜናና በስፖርት የተሞላ ነው መዝናኛ ፕሮግራም ተብሎ ሊቀርብ የሚችለው ዳንስ ሙዚቃ ድራማውም የቤተሰቦችሽን መልእክት ሪድሬስ አድርጎት ነው የሚመጣው so like hey I don't think we understand የሆነ ያን ያህል ብዙ ኮንተንት መምረጥ የሚባለው ነገር እንዳለ ሆኖ መስማት የምንፈልገው ኦሬዲ የምናስበውን ነገር ነው as a society
everybody knows so most people at least not everybody ግን most people
what I'm learning about the world is አሁን ለምሳሌ ኛ K-pop ምናይ ጊዜ በጣም በቃ we were in there አይደል every show on that channel KBS ነበር ምናየው every show on that channel አምልጦኝ የማያውቅበት ቀን አለ like glued to the TV 24/7 ከሰኞ እስከ እሑድ ፕሮግራሙን to the second ልነግርሽ እችላለሁ guess what 5 ኪሎ ሆነን ይመጡ ነበር ላንጉዌጅ ያስተምሩ ነበር ሙሲዝ ብንሰምቻለሁ
ምን አለ
ዝም ብሎ ነው እንጂ አፋቸው የሚከፍቱት ብዙ ማያውቁም ቋንቋውን አይነት ነገር ሲልና in Korean beside me
and she spoke Korean by the way
really
yeah. And I was like that hurt ግን I also like የዛን ጊዜ የመጡ ጊዜ ሰዎችን ባናገርናቸው ቁጥር ምን ተማርኩኝ እነሱ ያንን ቲቪ ያዩት ያንን ቲቪ ሳይሆን ቲቪ እንዳለ ያዩ does that make sense they are very good at exporting their culture ግን ቲቪ አያዩ ከዛ ጀርመንስ ታገኛለሽ they're like what are you saying to me ከዛ ኦስትሬሊያንስ ታያለሽ የነሱ ሾው አያዩትም ቲቪ የሚያየው የሰርተን ሴክሽን ኦፍ ሶሳይቲ ነው እንጂ እንደኛ like ቃና ስላለ ሁሉም ሰው ቁጭ ይላል የሚል እንትን አይደለም ይሄ ምንድነው ፓተርን አይደለም እና ምን እየገባኝ ሄደ ኦኬ እነዚህ ሰዎች ብዙ አመት የቲቪና አቬይላቢሊቲ ከመልመዳቸው የተነሳ ዲስሪጋርድ አድርገውታል እኛ ደግሞ ብርቆኖብን we're still attached to the ኢትዮጵያዊ ምን አይነት ኮንቴንት ይሰራል ኢትዮጵያዊ ምን ይያለ ነው ምክንያቱም ሁሉም ሰው እኛን ሪፕሬዘንት የሚያደርግ ይመስለናል አያረግም በጣም የሚገርሙ ኢትዮጵያውያን አሉ it doesn't mean they all represent you I've never run a day in my life ለደራርቱ ሪፕሬዘንት አደረገኛለች ብዬ እንደማለት የለብኝም does that make sense ደራርቱ ኢትዮጵያዊ ነች the end that's like all we have in common she can't reflect እኔ የምፈልገውን ሐሳብ በሙሉ ሳይዛት ገኝ የሚባል ድርቅና ሊኖረኝ አይገባም ነገር ግን እንደ ማህበረሰብ እዛ ጋር አይደለም so ተስፋ መቁረጤ የቱ ጋር እንዳለ ግልጽ ለማድረግ ያህል I can only have these conversations with people ሲባል I'm like you know I'm glad you told me I'm glad I'm now aware of the topics because imagine የአብሮ አደጎችሽ ምናም ከብዙ ጊዜ በኋላ ስታገኛቸው they're doing really well ምናምን ግን there's you know there's a certain gap in how you think. And you really don't want to offend these people. You like them. So like, yeah, film yeshu.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it was about this. How come you haven't? And society ላይ survive ለማድረግም ከምታረጊው ጥረት ወደ እነዚህ ቶፒኮች የመምጣት ቴንደንሲ ይኖራል ብዬ አስባለሁ. I feel like I'm also socially more empathetic than I've ever been. So አሁን like when people are uncomfortable አያቸውና generic topic here we go 1 2 ያልኩኝ ይገባል. እና the way that ዛሬ በጣም ይሞቃል. I will do this for 30 minutes if it needs to be done. It's okay. But I did not have person. No, like this is over the past 10 years. It's only gotten better. No. Especially እንትን ሴንት ሜሪ ስገባ ልማር ሶሻል ባትሪን እንደ አዲስ ነው ተጠቀምኩበት አቁሜ ነበርና I made friends, talked to people, like for about 2 months.
Understandable.
Cause again, I kind of understood people just don't want to have some of the conversation. One, insecure man. Cause we're like, we expect this total agreement from people that when it doesn't happen, I had a hard time accepting women not thinking ትምህርት በቃ መኖሪያ ነው ብለው አስቡም ብሎ ማሰብ ይከብደኝ ነበር. ከዛ ግን ወደ ዓለም በመጣው ቁጥር ኦኬ አንድ መንገድ ብቻ አይደለም ያለው. እኔ አሁንም በትምህርት ነው ኖሮሽ ተገኘ እሱም ታዩ ግን like ይሄ necessarily እኔ ማስበው ነገር ልክ ነው ብዬ የምደርቅበት ሌቭል completely ተቀይሯል. okay I guess this is how the person does it. ከዛ በኋላ ይነግሩሻል ክላስ ውስጥ እያስተማርኩ ነግሬሻለሁ this one time the entire class out earned me. what am I supposed to tell them? ልክ አይደላችሁም ልበላቸው? ኮንተንት የሚሰራ አለ ቃም ያስመጣል የቤተሰብ ቢዝነስ ውስጥ የሚሰራ አለ and you're there like I'm glad you're choosing to be here. That's all. Yeah.
Saatin sacrifice narak.
Yes. This is money to them. To me, it's like I'm getting paid to be here. So, and then you start to understand. ሰው በገባሽ ቁጥር እንትን ትያለሽ ሪዘርቬሽን እሺ ቀን ይጨምራል እና your in depth በፊት ላወራቸው ፈቃደኛ የሆንኳቸው ነገሮች እየጨመሩ ይላሉ. ጸጉር ቤት መቼለት ስለ ጸጉር ሰሪ ስም 30 ደቂቃ አውርተናል ለምሳሌ. And I have not murdered. So no, he had a very specific ቁልምጫ and I thought የሆነ ብሔር ስም መሆን አለበትና ምን ማለት ነው ስለው የስሙ አጭር version ነው in the worst way possible. So this is just
this is a conversation
this is what I am allowed to have with this person. So we're ለምን ዝማቲም የሚለው ኦፕሽን ካለ ጭንቅላታችሁ ላይ ከመጣ እሳት ይዞ ጸጉሬን ይዞታል.
you gotta keep him chatting. You better talk to him. I understand that completely. I don't think it is small talk አይደለም የሚባለው እሱ ነገር and it's a talent. It really is a talent. It's good for you because like on one side and movies might invalidate. I think we've covered it and for what reasons we've covered it. On the other side again when it comes to day-to-day basis and actually meeting people, especially people that you don't have to have intimate interactions and knowledge about, then small talk actually is a good idea. It's the safest option actually. Politica kaorash, you may never see you or me again, so makes sense.
I had a question before we left. A couple of questions. One, it's our birthday today. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And now for birthdays I recently learned that people should ask you what your highlights of the year was. If you were to summarize the year into 3 words, what was those words?
Exciting. That is pretty interesting.
Okay.
And gratitude, a lot of gratitude.
Okay.
That was my year, at least this year, because I met a lot of people that I am a huge fan of. Because she gazeno menagracho. And I have so many people in my life right now that I'm truly grateful for. But happy birthday. And not every time it makes me tear up thinking that people can midnight they just wish you a happy birthday and you have people that care about you that much. It's huge, Lenny. And despite all of everything we've faced በፖድካስቱም with friendship with family I have people that I could rely upon to give me honest opinions and that I can trust in giving me advice and giving me books. So I'm grateful. ለሁላችሁም እዚህ ክፍል ላላችሁትም ለምታዩም we don't tear up as the podcast say so
we
I'm
absolutely tear up by the way.
She does.
Yeah, I'm super grateful for everybody here now. ማለት የምችለው yeah.
Oh my god.
Do you guys
Pisces.
You're
Yes.
a Pisces?
No, I'm not.
Oh, yeah, I'm a March Pisces, so people should run. Like,
What does that mean?
we're said to be sensitive in them too, and slightly crazy. Slightly.
Slightly. I've never met any Pisces that was insane at all. I don't know what people are saying about these March Pisces, as you can see. Absolutely not. My other question is, what's your unpopular opinions of the day?
I hate this question because I can't come up with things like tolo.
What have you been watching?
Stressful.
What have you been watching? Think of the things you've been consuming. What has been
Reddit.
unpopular?
A lot of Reddit.
Reddit? You got on Reddit?
TikTok Reddit ብቻ ነው.
Reddit stories. Okay.
So the thing ዛሬ ጧት የሰማሁትን ታሪክ ልንገርሽ. So the man lets her know that he has $2,000 saved, $200,000 saved, እና girlfriend quit
አደረገች.
The girlfriend quit her job እና I'm a trophy wife ብላ ተቀመጠች.
I know the story.
I don't.
እና was so triggering for him. Like ምን ማለትሽ ነው አላት. She explained
You got us.
You got it. Quite literally that's what she said. You got this. እና የኔ ስራ መስራት ያን ያህል እያዋጣ ስላልሆነ I'll be a stay-at-home trophy wife አለችው ማለት ነው. And the more he questioned her, the more she explained that not only is she a trophy wife, okay, not triggered. Not only is she a trophy wife, she explained to him, I'm hotter than you. A lot of our friends and our family think that I'm hotter than you. So like you should be grateful that you're now providing for me. እስካሁን ድረስ ራሱ እኔ ሆኜ ነው የሰራሁት ብላ he officially broke up with her.
You gotta try some things out, you know?
Again,
women in men fields.
Exactly.
I love this for her.
The thing that made me question about all of this is it's funny how in your society sigaba how it would be questioned if she decided to work when he has that level of savings, because in your society the exact opposite frame of reference ነው የሚሰጥሽ.
መስራት አልፈልግም
ብትይ
I know surprisingly በዛ ኢኮኖሚክ ሬንጅ ሳይሆኑ መስራት አልፈልግም ብለው የተው ሰዎች I can imagine.
እና የኛ society would actually accept her as
Not
opposed to
working
him.
him.
So I'm like ይሄን ባዳመጥኩት ቁጥር there were so many unpopular opinions. I just did not know which society unpopular. Because like if she had made the same decisions Ethiopia was with inflations the way it is a lot of people agree with her. She should be a stay at home የሚለው idea አለ. She should be taking care of the household የሚባለው idea አለ. Why would you even want to work የሚለው idea, even if she doesn't decide to quit የሚመጣ ነገር ነው. On the other side demo, if he told her, oh, you should work because I want an equal partner bill, in your society a lot of people would question him. So I have questions, but the opinions which I say, I have a lot of questions.
ተጋጨብኝ ነው የምትይ?
እንዲህ ነው.
It's interesting.
ዛሬ ያየሁት my favorite quote is I don't care how many times I would have to start over. I will not accept a life I don't like as mine. And
you like that?
Yes, because a lot of our stories ልብ ብላችሁ ካያችሁት especially ለሀበሻ የሚሸጥ ለሴት የሚሸጥ እና እነዚህ ደግሞ በጋራ ሆነው የሚሸጥልንን ታሪኮች ካያችሁ a lot of suffering, discomfort and sacrifice ናቸው.
እና being a woman not just
ከዛ ግን ደግሞ ኢትዮጵያዊ ደግሞ ስትሆኚ ማጆሪቲዎችን ሃይማኖተኛና ደሃ ስለሆንን ችግርን አብረው ነው እንትን ምንቀበለው.
I have so many questions. By the way, like have you noticed the Ethiopia movies like the rich girl, the very
that's the fantasy in ሀገር That's the fantasy.
So the movie is usually she's a very financially stable, wealthy dad ያላት ወይም wealthy family ያላት ሴት አለች። እሱ ደግሞ the exact opposite ነው. And then
suffering.
Yes. And then they come together, she falls in love with him and then marries him. የሚያስቀኝ part ምን እንደሆነ ልንገርሽ. If those two were in reversed and it was in real life, she would be considered a gold digger.
No. There's another conversation about that in our movies. So ሀብታም ከሆነ ይፈትናታል. ብዙ hoops ያዘልላታል.
እንዴ? In real life ሲሆንስ?
Am I wrong?
In real life እኮ
እነዚህ
she's considered a
ፋንታሲዎች
gold
አሉ።
digger because she wants somebody more financially stable than her.
ከዛ ፋንታሲው ላይ እሷ ገንዘብ አትወድም።
አዎ
ድህነትን ትመርጣለች። እሱ ገደል ይገባታል።
Always.
እሱ ነው የምልሽ።
She's going now.
እሱ ነው የምልሽ። በጣም በቃ unpopular የሚያደርገውም እዛ ላይ ነው። Our ideas when it comes to finances and relationships እንዴት switch up እንደሚያደርጉ it really does make me question a lot of things.
I'm not gonna lie to you. እኔ ኢትዮጵያዎች ያላቸው ሀሳብ ልክ ነው ብዬ ነው ማምነው።
ምን ቶፒክ ላይ ሲመጣ
economic relationship economics, they were right. He should. No, I don't care. You know I don't care. Again, it's so sad because you would watch people and now they're really stuck in loops and you could tell they hate those loops. But I think I don't know where it comes from for me personally. I can't pinpoint which part of me goes this way, but I can only take something for like a limited period of time ነገር እና አየዋየውና like ገነት ያስገባልኝ ነገር ማለት ጀምራለሁ። በዚህ በኩል ነው የገነት በር
ለነፍሴ ነው የምሰራው ያለሽ
ማለት ትጀምራለሽ። And then when once you start questioning it for what it really is, it kind of crumbles on itself. So ትወስኛለሽ የማልወደው ላይፍ የምኖርበት ምን ጥሩ ምክንያት አለኝ የሚለውን ትጠይቂያለሽ። ከዛ እውነት ምክንያት ታጫለሽ። ሞት ብዙ ጊዜ ደግሞ አካባቢሽን ብታይ እነዚህ ሰዎች እንደዚህ የሚያደርጉት ብዙ ጊዜ ሶሳይቲ የሆነ ያልጠበቁት ኃላፊነት ምናምን ሲጫንባቸው ነው እና ይሄ ኤስኬፕ የሚያደርጉት ነገር ራሱ በር ያለው አይመስላቸውም because that's how we are raised, that's what we're taught to believe. ስለዚህ ይሄ ነገር ልክ ነው ጥሩ ነው ብለን አንዴ እንድናምን እንደረግና እየዞረብሽ ናላሽ እየዞረ 40 ዓመት 50 ዓመት ያልፋል ያንቺ ህይወት ላይ የሌላ ሰው ያልሆነ ላይ. So that is my favorite quote that would be unpopular also.
I have a question. በቅርቡ የሰማሁት ጉድ አለ። ኤሉ ላንተ ነው ይሄ ጥያቄ። Do Habesha girls ask date ላይ ሲወጡ ምናምን ነገር how much a man makes? They don't አይደለ? Oh thank God. So ወሬ ላይ
I'm trying to remember if I have.
Like not on the first date or second date አይደለም like
eventually
within the relationship.
By that point I have to know.
Oh, same.
በ3 ወር በ4 ወር ምን ገቢ እንዳለ አይታወቅም። ሬንጁ እንኳን አይታወቅም። እሱማ ይሰክስሃል ብለህ ነው ማሰብ ያለብህ።
So it's a thing, it's a conversation people have?
You have to.
I mean, I don't think it's that much of a big deal.
So does he ask you the same question? Like how much do you make የሚለው question?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah. And then no, ደሞ ሲሆን ቀላል ነው I feel like because I don't decided this is what happened. No ምትገልጩ. ግን like when it's businesses I think it gets murky because one, it affects the dynamic of the relationship. ዝም ብሎ ይሄን ነው ማገኘው ብለሽ መናገራችሁም ደግሞ like it's not ይሄ ቁጥር አይደለም. You can only have a range and that range would affect this properly.
Yeah.
So በዚህ case ግን like what do? I have a 9 to 5 city. We already have a range. ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ like ምን ያህል የር ኤክስፒሪየንስ እንዳለሽ ስታወሪ we have another range. You know what I mean? I've been in this business እዚህ መስሪያ ቤት ነው የምሰራው ምናምን ባለሽ ቁጥር like ቁጥሩ ይሰራል. You go like oh my god ይሄን oof teach ያለሽ oof
very interesting. Okay.
ከዛ ስለ ድርጅቱ አጥብቀሽ ትጠይቂያለሽ. If you don't want to ask for money አሁን ለምሳሌ የት ነው የምትሰራው እዚህ ቦታ ስትባይ ስንት ዓመት ሆነ እዛ ቦታ ተወደዋለህ አሪፍ ነው so you're learning about his level of engagement in the company. I hate it ካለሽ they hate him at the office.
That's amazing.
So like which means the boss hates him, they're not promoting him that often, like you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You can I can do the money. You can give me a job and experience and his attitude towards the job I can give you the money.
Wow, I don't know. I only do that for their mental health. Dead serious. Like, what's your relationship with your family?
The jokes.
Oh, exactly.
You hit up with a couple of jokes and you'll be like, litmus. And like, I understand you're an okay human being, but I don't think this is gonna work.
Yeah.
You do that too?
Oh.
You ask the price range?
The price range ሳይሆን ቁጥር አልጠይቅም. I do it.
You calculate. You calculate.
ላይፍ ስታይሉን
really
አንዳንዱ ሰው ባይ ዘ ወይ በጣም ፍሩጋል ነው
ያረጋል አይደለም ባይ ዘ ወይ
you can't see አንዳንድ ሰው ማለት ነው የውጭ ካምፓኒ ምናምን እየሰራ ምንም ይሄ ከኦርዲነሪ ነገር ምንም ላታይበት ይችላል how are you supposed to know የት ነው የምትሰራው ስትል ድርጅቱ ሲነገር ምንድን ነው የምትሰራው ከዲቴይሉን የሰማስ shit you know what I mean ይሄ ሰው ከገንዘብ ጋር ያለው ሪሌሽንሺፕ ማተር ያደርጋል የት ነው የምትሄዱት I guess this is like a formula እየበዛ ነው ግን የሆነ ኢንዱስትሪውን ትጠይቂያለሽ ከዛ ኢንዱስትሪው ይሄ ነው ሲባል ብዙ ካምፓኒዎች የሉ ስለዚህ እዚህ ቦታ መሰራው ሲል you like your job still if he's really enthusiastic if he has not made it yet he will make it it's okay if he's really depressed about it he has not seen a promotion in a while so you gotta
comment section ላይ እስኪ ጻፉ this is so interesting if you want us to actually do an episode about this let us know does
actually ቢነግሩን
ቢነግሩን ብቻ አይደለም does the financial statement of the person you're dating affect what you see within that relationship
shouldn't it ቆንዴ should it not for better or for worse should it not
again like I've learned the hard way that it has to የሚለውን the hard way ተማርኩ ሰው ቢኖር እኔ ነኝ ግን it's not about how much that person makes it's who he is as an individual and how much work ethics he has and how much direction he has and then a lot of things apply it's not really simply about the salary he's getting right now it's who he is as a person and how aware he is about financial literacy matters ብዬ ስለማስብ ነው so እነዚህ standards makes a difference to me
ደግሞ as a planner I think to be informed is very relevant so are we planning our life together or not if yes you gotta if no we're good are we planning a date and are we doing 50-50 if yes you should tell me if no then go ahead and do whatever you have to do you know what I mean based on what kind of way you want me to show up you have to decide what you want to inform me
very interesting okay again in a topic
we'll talk about it next time thank you guys for watching
I feel like your faces was doing a lot of things
yeah
planning labor
financial literacy like
what do you want to say one last comment
by the way ፊትሽ አይታይም so you're safe
ግን unpopular opinion like quote ስታነሺ it's not really a quote ግን ማለት ነው ባለፈው I was learning in class እና he defined what problem was እና I mean it's the most simplest definition ግን it just changed my
perspective
brain chemistry
yes it was like problem is a gap between the current and desired reality outcome and I was like oh shit all my problems are just a gap
I love that
I swear to you
you don't hear the joke okay I love that for you I would like to thank Taraki for their space and platform thank you guys for watching this episode until the end thank you for joining us Ghost Girl
thank you
I gotta go and find food bye